We can increase the download speed while installing packages using the DNF package manager by increasing the maximum number of simultaneous package downloads. To do so, edit the dnf.conf file. Add the following line to enable DNF parallel downloads. This option tells the DNF to use 10 parallel downloads at the same time. You can increase or decrease this value as per your wish. The default value for max parallel downloads option is 3. Now, press Ctrl-O to save the changes and press Ctrl-X to exit. Now try to perform any package operation with dnf command. You will notice the speed difference while downloading the packages. Another option to speed up DNF is to select fastest mirror from the Fedora public mirrors. To do so, again edit the dnf.conf file. Add the following line. Press Ctrl+O, followed by Ctrl+X to save the file and exit.